What's good, y'all? OG Drip coming in, man. I'm just coming in with y'all to let y'all know that we're going to still do the chiron in each sign, but I want to do the sun in each sign. I forgot to do it, y'all. I already did the moon sign, so if you haven't caught up to that, go see those so you can find out what's your moon sign. If you guys don't know what your moon sign is, pay close attention, because that's the whole other point of me making this video. Everyone know what a sun sign is, y'all. This is the thing that everyone be like, oh, what are you? Was you born in September? What month? What day? And da-da-da. And they be like, oh, I'm a Virgo sun. I'm a Libra sun. You know what I'm saying? This the thing that mainly people know. You know, everyone know what their sun sign is, but they don't say their sun sign. They say this their actual zodiac. They say this is what they are. They don't know that it takes more combinations, and if you're one of them, it takes more than this combination to make the person that you actually are. See, now when we looking at the sun, that's just like how, you know, the thing that's been illuminated by light. So you can't go by that all the time, because things could be very different. So let me give y'all an example before I get too deep. You know what I'm saying? Now, I'm a Virgo sun, right? But my Venus sit in Leo. So when it comes down to being passionate about things, I understand that my passion comes from my creativity, the ways I express myself. You know what I'm saying? I be playing games sometimes, bro, and I feel like I'm straight. I'm talking, I feel like I'm full. It just depends on the level of it. Like if the joy in it, you know what I'm saying, it's also coming out of Leo. It's like that's what I get out of it. So some people see Venus and Leo being childish. You know what I'm saying? But I'm cool with that, because that's just how I'm made up. That's who I am. That ain't who you are. You know what I'm saying? You may be a Virgo sun and got Venus sitting in the second, in Taurus. So when you got Venus sitting in Taurus, you passionate about how you value things, such as a person, place, or thing. So you may be in there, you may see things like without having this, it ain't nothing to life. Like you may be like, man, bump that. If I ain't got this, I ain't hard filled. You know what I'm saying? You may feel like when you do got something, you may be over possessive about it, because you may have so much passion behind it. You may be like, yo, don't touch this, bro. My people gave me this. I work da-da-da-da. You know what I'm saying? And then by us just having the same sun sign, it's going to just be the way you looking at things. You may be looking at the small details I'm doing. So we both Virgo suns. I may be just doing the small ways. I may be looking at the small ways of how you expressing yourself and stuff at the time. And you may be looking at the ways of how I value things. You know what I'm saying? So you may be like, damn, he don't value nothing. I be like, damn, he ain't creative at all. But see, that's the thing that keep the zodiacs, keep the characteristics different. Not only that, you have degrees playing a part of it. So it's very important for us to understand how to use not only our sun sign, but the rest of our signs to be able to make things that we're trying to accomplish or manifest in life work. This is a true way of laws of attraction. It's not asking no one for nothing. When you asking someone for something and you don't necessarily know what you're asking for, remember that. You don't know what you're asking for. So you're asking for a curse, but you think it's a gift. So when you understand how these zodiacs work, you can get the gifts that you was able to receive. So that's why I'm like, hold on, let me come in, let me drop and do this video. Not only that, y'all, my girl Rose Petal Vlogs, you can go add her, sub or whatever, you know what I'm saying? She was telling me like, baby, you got to be a little loose with your soul group, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm real uptight, y'all. I got a lot of earth signs, so it's like I'm gonna be very broad, and I might not put emotion behind things, and I might not really care about the emotion that's coming behind it, but that's due to my other characteristics, my other makeouts. You get what I'm saying? All this Capricorn this, Capricorn that, falling behind it, you know what I'm saying? So it messed me up. It has me to a moment that I may be not creative at all. You get what I'm saying? So even though I love being creative, because my passion is there, but I have so many earth signs, it slow my creativity down, because it make me come out with more of the logic and more of how to draw things out instead of me actually imagining, which is actually opening up my mind and trying to think and grasp for things that I can't necessarily see and reach and grab. So I'm the type of person that I only like to grab what I can see. So that's the difference. You know what I'm saying? So it's like you have to learn this, bro, so you could be able to activate everything, you know, activate that manifestation rate you want, whether it's you want gifts of materialized stuff, whether you want love, whether you want whatever, you know what I'm saying? You have the power. You just got to know how to work your powers and learn how to pull the things in that's meant for you. Every frequency and vibration don't match with each other, y'all. So I was just coming in with y'all to drop these videos like this real quick to let y'all know what we about to do next. And I probably was going to start doing more random videos, or not really random, but just checking in with y'all soul group to make sure everything all right, because y'all know how YouTube is. YouTube, not even on that sake, but YouTube will bump you out the algorithm. Stop putting in videos for a couple days, it's not going to be the same. And it's not, and it's like this, man. If y'all have a bond where y'all able to connect and see how I go throughout life, it makes things better. So you can see that although I may be a Virgo sun, so I like to be look like I'm doing stuff perfect, y'all, but really in deep down inside, I'm not. It's just I'm very observant. I analyze it down to the T. So when I do something wrong, it is shocking. It's like, whoa, what the? I analyzed it to the T. But enough about me, y'all. It's also for y'all to be able to find it inside yourself, to see how this motivation going, and to see the willpower, bro. I don't let none of that view stuff, none of that stuff really get in my head, y'all. I really don't. You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, I understand with Chiron being also in Leo, I understand not let my pride get too far in the way. And that's why I said, y'all, I'm also I got to talk about every individual sign. You know what I'm saying? We just got to do it. And it's better to go ahead and do it from all angles, especially to me to finish up on Saturn signs and for me to also do the sun signs, because it's the main planets and stuff. So I want people to understand this before they get to understanding Chiron, the asteroid, and how it works. You know what I'm saying? Because that'll help us. If you understand the big lights and understand how they were creating little lights and mini lights, all that there, it helps when we start talking about mini mansions and smaller concepts of light and smaller star constellations and stuff, man. But not to get y'all too far-fetched and not to throw it too far out there. I'm just letting y'all know what we about to get ready to do, man. And I'm trying to be just me with it, y'all, because I be like, I'm telling y'all, sometimes I be too dry on my damn self. And it's like, yo, stop being like that. It make it even harder for me to actually express myself. It actually make it harder for me to show my creativity, because not only do I know a hater gonna come up as soon as I start breaking some shit down, and it's just some stuff that they never thought about, or some stuff that they been demonetized about so long that they never thought to even think outside that system. I know that that's gonna come, because one thing about it, like I said, Chiron and Leo got my damn whole, every time I try to express myself, show my creativity, that comes. But not only that, we also have to remember pride as a lion. You know what I mean? So sometimes I roar, and sometimes I look at stuff and I freeze up, because I be like, damn, I could have did a video today, man. I let this one thing mess with me and threw my whole way of me wanting to express myself. Now I don't want to do it at all. It's a shutdown. And you know, I'll get deeper into detail of how I am, the way I am, but we'll do that when we all understand each zodiac, each planetary alignment and stuff like that. We'll even do it, the fact that we'll take a couple of charts and we'll break it down and do a reading, like actual video, so to show you how things work out. And we'll have to use more than one, so we can show you the difference, the characteristics of the people, and then show you how they could be the similar and what could make it seem like they're the same. And where this zodiac sign fails, this one could help each other at. So it's like we're gonna show all that, man. So stay tuned. And I love y'all. Still hit the subscribe button, and if you're new to the channel, and still hit the like button, dog. Come on now. I'm out.